liquids to flow. See how I pour this milk into this glass easily. Capillarity is the tendency of a liquid in a capillary tube or absorbent material to rise or fall. You can see that the colored water is creeping. The water molecules is attracted to the tissue paper's molecules. Capillary action is what the plants use to draw water out of the soil through the roots up into the plant. Viscosity is the ability of liquids to resist flowing. Now let's test the viscosity of different liquids. We have here chili sauce, strawberry syrup, cheese sauce, honey, mayonnaise. Now I will tilt this plate to see which of these liquids will flow the fastest one or slowest. The fastest to flow is the strawberry syrup, and the last one to move is the mayonnaise. So the mayonnaise has the highest viscosity of all the liquids here.